Alright, today we're going to look at a Quasar. I picked this up off the street. I got two at the same house. The other one's a Zenith. And they're both, LG air conditioners. Kind of like a Gold Star or whatever. So, it's in pretty good shape. It doesn't look like it was used a whole lot. Just the label. It's a 5250. This is an older one. Distributed by Panasonic, not made by Panasonic. Yeah, it says made in Korea. Well, you can't really read the name on that motor, but some sort of, I don't know. Probably a Chinese motor, or maybe it's a Korean motor, I don't know. Anyway, let's turn this on. I noticed this has a peel and stick accordion panel on one side, which never picked one up that had that. So, thermostat is clicking even though it's a little cool here today. It's a low fan. Ooh, yeah. So this has an LG Hero compressor. Not entirely sure the difference between the LG Hero and the regular LG compressor. I think the Hero might be kind of a budget compressor, but I'm not sure about that. Yeah, it runs pretty nice. These are pretty quiet. These Gold Stars and LGs. They do run very quiet. They have quiet fans in them. This does get cold. I guess we can look in the inside here. It's normal to get a little frost there, it's like 64, 65 degrees here, so it's kind of normal. Yeah, so it's just like a Gold Star. It's got the two sets of louvers. So we're on low. There's high. Yeah, this runs pretty nice. I don't know if I'll show the other one. The other one's a Zenith. It's pretty much the same. I don't know if I'll bother showing the other one. So, there you go. I will see you next time.